Hello students, as I said you in the previous video that you put your questions in the comment section or you send me a message and I'll solve the questions of your confusions. So here is a question given by one of the student and the question is like this. Here there are 3 points on the circumference of the circle P, Q and R, and the angle between PR and QR is 90 degree, and the question is asked to find the equation of circle and equation of radius. So this question is from grade 10 and mostly grade 10 students they must know some points while solving this question. One is the distance formula, and another is to find the equation of circle, because there is a word to find the equation. So there are many equation formulas whichever you find easy, but among here I want to explain the another for single formula that you can use 2 point, like 2 point formula y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and x minus x1. You will understand this formula when I will explain here on the board later on. So we can start now the solution. Here, distance between P and C. And you must know what is this C. C is the center of the circle and PC, RC and QC are the radius. PC, RC and QC are the radius of a circle. PC equals to x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, or PC equals to, now when we compare with PC, then point P is 3 comma 6, C is A comma B. So you can assume P as x1 y1 and C as x2 y2. So x2 means A minus 3 whole square, y2 means B minus 6 whole square. You don't have to go solving this equation, you just put equation number 1, because we have to do similarly for RC also and QC as well. Again, distance between R and C. RC equals to x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, or RC equals to, similarly now here comes R. You can erase this in rough, it is like a rough for you. R is 7 3, so it is now x1 y1. So A minus 7 whole square, B minus 3 whole square, equation number 2. Now similarly, QC, distance between Q and C. x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, or qc is equals to, now in place of r we can assume q. What is there? Q 10 comma 7. So you can write a minus 10 whole square, b minus 7 whole square. Question number 3. Now we have to solve these three equations together. So first I am going to solve equation 3 and 2. A minus 10 whole square, b minus 7 whole square. This one is RC, this one is QC, and the previous one was PC. It was a minus 3 whole square, b minus 6 whole square. Now how to solve them? Because the radius of a circle are equal. So you can put QC equals to RC, or QC is a minus 10 whole square, b minus 7 whole square. RC is a minus 7 whole square and b minus 3 whole square. Squaring on both the sides, root a minus 10 whole square, b minus 7 whole square, root a minus 7 whole square, b minus 3 whole square. By squaring you can remove the square root, then you get a minus 10 whole square, b minus 7 whole square, and here a minus 7 whole square, b minus 3 whole square. Now you open the squares of all the terms. A square minus 20a plus 10 square. Or if you want to know in detail, I am actually opening the formula of square here. Like a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So you can compare this with that formula, then you will get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly this one, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and equals to, and this term now, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now try to keep the like terms and unlike terms in a different way, different places. A square plus b square minus 2 tens are 20a minus 2 sevens are 14b, and plus 10 square is 100, 7 square is 49. A square plus b square minus 2 sevens are 14a minus 2 3 is 6b plus 49 plus 9. So we now remember the question, we can drop the question time. continue this solution. Or a square, from both sides we can cancel them. B square will be cancelled. Now we have some numbers and just some variables left. Minus 20a minus 14b plus 100 plus 49. You can add together. 149 equals to minus 14a minus 6b plus 49 plus 9, 58. Now try to analyze the numbers. Minus 20a minus 14a. Minus 20 is the greater number, so you better change the position from this side to the next side, from left hand to the right hand. Plus 20a. When it goes there, it becomes minus 2 plus. And minus 14a. In the same way, this one is also negative, so it becomes plus 14b and minus 6b here and here. And 149 here and plus 58 here. What I am trying to do actually to keep the variables on one side and constant values and the another side. 49 we can deduct. 149 minus 58, 148, 90, 20 minus 15, 6a, 50 minus 6, 8. Question number 8. There were 3 equations like this. Now after solving these 2 equations, QC and RC, we got another equation, different form, in a linear equation, that is A. Again, now after QC and RC, we can do QC and PC. I'm going to do it a little bit fast now here. QC is root a minus 10 whole square, b minus 7 whole square, and PC is a minus 3 whole square and b minus 6 whole square. Or squaring both sides, the root will be cancelled. And you can open this in formula now. A square minus 2ab plus b square plus b square minus 2ab plus b square 100. A square minus 2 to the 6a plus 9 plus b square minus 6 is 12b plus 36, or the cancelling a square and cancelling b square, minus 20a minus 14b plus 100, minus 6a minus 12b plus 100 plus 49, 149, and 9 plus 36, 45. 149 minus 45 equals to plus 20a minus 6a plus 14b minus 12b, or 104 equals to 14a plus 2b. Because there is even number everywhere, so you can take common. 2 common, 7a plus b, 104, cancel, 2 minus 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4. So we get another equation, 52, 7a plus b, equation number b. Now we got 2 linear equations, so we can solve these 2 linear equations to find the value of a and b. And after finding the value of a and b, we can actually find the center of the circle. And after finding the center of the circle, we can make the equation of a circle and also the equation of the radius. There are many methods to solve these linear equations also. One is by substitution method, another is elimination method. Anyone you can use. There is third one is graphical. So when we do graphical, it will be more lengthy. So we can try among any of the two. I find it easier by doing elimination, so I'll do elimination here. Let's see you can understand that. Then solving equation A and B, 91 equals to 6A plus 8B, 52 equals to 7A plus B. Now you can analyze here. You have to deduct any one of the variable from this corner. So I find multiplying second equation by 8 will be easier. Then when we multiply 8 into b, it becomes 8b, and now subtracting them, 8b minus 8b will be cancelled, and here you will get 91 and 52 into 8. 52 into 8 to 16, 1, 5 8 the 41, 400, 16, here 6a, 7 into 8, 56 minus 56a. And because b is already eliminated there, that is why it is called elimination method. minus 91, 5, 11 minus 2, 325 equals to 6a minus 56a minus 50a, or minus 325 divided by minus 50 equals to a. Or 5 10 50, 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25. So minus will be cancelled. Answer comes 65 by 10, that is A. 5 2 are 10, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 are 15. Final answer is 13 by 2. Putting the value of A in equation B or A. This one was A, this one was B. So 52 equals to 7A plus B, or 52 equals to 7 into 13 by 2 plus 3. 52 equals to 17. 7 plus 60. 91 by 2 plus B, or 52 minus 91 by 2 equals to B. Try to put the variable in on one side and constant in the another. 52 2 is 104 minus 91 equals to B. Therefore, B equals to 4 minus 1, 3, 10 minus 9, 1, 1, 2. 13 by 2, A and B are 13 by 2 and 13 by 2. Now we can find the equation of a circle and the radius also. This question is the long question, that is why it is taking more time. Finally, equation of circle. To find the equation of circle, you have to find now radius, that is CR, PC or QC, any. You can put the value of C in any of the equation. So I am going to put in PC, that is A minus 3 whole square, B minus 6 whole square, and because we know A is 13 by 2 minus 3 whole square and B is 13 by 2 minus 6 whole square. 13 minus 6 by 2 whole square, 13 minus 12 by 2 whole square, 7 by 2 whole square, 1 by 2 whole square, 49 by 2, 1 by 2, 50 by 2, and 50 you can divide this way, 2 25s and 5 5s, it means 5 comes out, 5 root 2, or you can simply divide here, 2 1 is 2, 2 25s are 50, you will get 25, it means that is 5 units. After finding the radius, you can find equation of a circle. 5 units, 5 and 5. Then equation of a circle. In a formula group, you can find like equation of circle is x minus a whole square, y minus b whole square equals to r square. So x is any point. You can take P, or you can take any point here is x, that is x and y. Any point on the circumference of a circle. So x minus a is 13 by 2 whole square, and y minus b is also 13 by 2 whole square, and radius is 5 units, so 5 square. Or now you can open the formula, x square minus 13 by 2, 2 into 13 by 2 into x plus 13 by 2 whole square, y square minus 2 into y into 13 by 2 plus 13 by 2 whole square equals to 25. Or x square plus y square minus 2 cancel, 13x plus minus 2 cancel, 13y plus 13 whole square 169 by 4 and 169 by 4 equals to 25. Or x square plus y square minus 13x minus 13y plus 2 times 169 by 4 equals to 25, 2 to the 4. Or x square plus y square minus 13x minus 13y plus 169 by 2 minus 25 equals to 0. Or x square plus y square minus 13x minus 13y plus 2 as LCM, 169, 25 to the 50, 0. You can copy as it is. Here is the solution. 2, 169, 9, 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, 1 equals to 0. You can take 2 as a whole LCM. You will get 2x square 2y square minus 26x minus 26y plus 119 equals to 0 and whole upon 2. You can take this 2 to the right hand side and you will get final equation of a circle 2y square minus 26x minus 26y plus 119 equals to 0 into 2. That will be finally 0. And the last step is equation of radius. Equation of radius. After this point, you have to write this line, and next equation you have to apply. That is point X and C. I have written the formula of equation of a line was directly right here. Y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, or y minus y1 can take the point C 13 by 2 and y2 minus y1 2 points. Okay. Equation of radius can be taken y minus y1 by the help of these 2 points CR also. CR. If you take CR, then you get y minus y1. C 13 by 2, 13 by 2, R 7, 3. So this one is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y1 will be 13 by 2, y2 will be 3 minus 13 by 2, x2 will be 7 minus 13 by 2, x minus 13 by 2. Or 2y minus 13 by 2, 6 minus 13 by 2, 14 minus 13 by 2, 2x minus 13 by 2, 2y minus 13 by 2 equals to 2 can be cancelled. 6 minus 13 is minus 7 by 1, 2x minus 13 by 2. So even 2 can be divided here. 2y minus 13 equals to minus 7, 2x minus 13. 2y minus 13 equals to minus 14x plus 13 7 is 91, or plus 14x plus 2y 91 plus 13. So the equation of a radius is 14x plus 2y equals to 134, 104. So this is the complete solution of the equation given by student Madhuri Bania. So right now this much is enough for the solution of this question, and keep putting your questions. And this question was long because it actually comes for 5 marks in your examination in SLC, SEE nowadays. So bye.